doing anything. Sir, I'm not doing anything with it. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Safia and today I'm delighted to get this opportunity to come in front of you all and share my views on a topic that is reservation. It is good or not and it should be continued or not. Well, I personally believe that it's not good and it should not be continued now. First of all, I want to clear a misconception of everyone, means our opponent's team, that we are not against of whole reservation, means every reservation we are not against of. We are against just some reservation by which corruption, inequality, discrimination is increasing. Means we are against of political reservation, jobs reservation, education reservation, and caste-based reservation. We are not against of disability reservation and women reservation, because people who are disabled, whether they it's not like that they are from lower caste or general caste. People who are disabled, they will get reservation, or women, it's not like that they are from upper caste or lower caste, they will not get. They will get because it's not increasing discrimination, inequality or corruption. But what about other reservations? From them, discrimination, corruption, and so many things are increasing. Those things are not good for society, for our country. You know, political parties are taking benefit from it because they have made it resource of vote. People of same party, some people say that it should be continued, some people say that it should not be continued, because some people say that it is right, or some people say that it is wrong. So they are favoring of people like this, they are getting votes, they have made it resource of vote. Thank you for listening.
Bismillah. Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to highlight the reasons why reservation is good. So first of all, I would like to speak about what is reservation. Reservation is an exemption for lower caste people in terms of education, in terms of job. And here I would like to tell you a bit history of lower caste people. Earlier, what used to happen with lower caste, when they used to come in lower caste, when they used to come in front of upper caste people, so they used to think now they have come in front of us, so we have become unpolluted, and because of this thing, they used to beat them a lot, and there was a lot discrimination. They were not allowed in schools, they were not allowed in good society, they had not good colonies, they had not good food for eating, and even the children of lower caste people, they were not allowed in schools. When they used to go to school, so teacher used to say you are from lower caste, so you are not allowed in school, so you can go, you cannot study here. So because of this type of discrimination removing, reservation came, and because of reservation we are able to study, means lower caste people are able to study, and they are able to do good job, they are able to eat good food, and now they are financially better because of reservation.
Okay, as again and again they all are talking about past, that they don't have rights to get education, about jobs. Means of now, I want to say that they have this much developed now, that they can, if reservation should not be given to them, so they can improve themselves by themselves. And again, oh sorry, now I want to give answer of some opponents, as Rihan Ahmed and Ishan was saying that general people don't need reservation, they can afford. So I want to say that according to the MPI, means multi-dimensional poverty index, 36% people who belong to general caste, they are poor, they are unemployed. And if I talk about who belong to SC or ST, just only 13% people are poor and they are unemployed.
Listen, here I would like to tell you, are you Dalit? Are you from OBC?
I'm not.
So why are you saying we need reservation? We need reservation. Are you Dalit?
First of all,
Are you
listen,
OBC?
I'm not saying we
Listen,
need
listen,
reservation.
listen.
I am saying reservation should not be
Listen,
continued
listen.
for any single person.
Let me speak. We are from general category, and we have money also. We can purchase anything, everything. We can find. We can do anything. We have rights. We have everything. So why we need reservation? Reservation for lower caste people. They are financial and basically क्या कहते हैं? backward.
Still they are backward.
Yes. Still 40% people are backward.
40% people means 30% they have whole generation and 40% people are backward.
Here I would like to tell you about political reservation. In political,
As they all are saying that they are not developed